If you want to book cheap flight tickets in India, then please stay tuned. I'll tell you about step-by-step procedure. Hello everyone, my name is Malay Biswal and you are watching Helpful Things. Let's get started. So today I'm going to talk about a website called Skyscanner. If you are aware about it, pretty much fine. If you are not aware, please stay tuned. I will save a lot of money when you are traveling through flight. Okay, so I have just given an example, Bangalore to Mumbai, and this is 30th of April 2022. So today is 25th, just to give you an idea that I am looking for a ticket which is just 5 days away, and that's a Saturday. Okay, so I'll just search for the flights, and if you see, I'm getting the cheapest and the best deal in the Indigo flight, and the price is 3494, right? If I just select this, I can see that the website which is offering me the cheapest flight is Agoda. Basically this Skyscanner is a aggregator, so it compares lot of other websites and then tell you that you should book through which website so that you get the least fare. Okay, so Agoda is the website through which if you book this flight, which starts from 7 a.m. and reaches Mumbai at 8:50, and it's a direct flight, and the price is 3494, so 3494 rupees, right? So if I just click on select, I just want to show you that it is not some fake price, but rather when you go to the last window of booking also, it will give you that price. Okay, so it is confirming now the price with airline. I have just moved to the Agoda website now. So now you see that it is showing the same price. Let me just fill these details, some dummy details, and then I want to move to the final stage of just before payment, so that I will show you what is the price it is showing. So I'll just fill it and come back. Okay, so now I have filled all the details here. So I'll just say continue to payment. So now you can see that we are at the final page where we have to specify the card number and start booking. And there you can see that the price is still 3493.65. So it's not charging anything extra to me as well, right? But let's check the price details in other websites like Indigo website itself. Okay, so same Bangalore to Mumbai, 30th of April, right? So I'll just say search for flight. So now if you look at, we are looking at a flight which is from 7 a.m. to 8:50 and 6E6479. I'll just go here and check what is the flight number. Yeah, it is 6479. And what's the price it is offering? It is offering 6897 is the saver price, right? But how much you are getting if you are booking through Skyscanner and then coming to Agoda is that 3493, right? So if you look at make my trip, let's check for the same dates. So Bangalore to Mumbai, 30th of April. I'll just search. Okay, so here if you go down, we are looking at flight Indigo which starts at 7 o'clock, right? Yeah, so this is the flight. So what is the price? 6529, right? So just think that how much lesser you are getting if you are booking through this, almost kind of a double the price in other websites, right? So only one thing that you should keep in mind, if you are booking flight through this, make sure that you are traveling for sure. Okay, I'm not pretty much aware about the cancellation policy through this. If you are booking through Agoda, what is the cancellation policy? I'm not aware about. Please go through the cancellation policy, but I doubt if you cancel, I think you will be losing the whole amount. Basically, anyway, if you look at here, the bag allowances and policies, you will see this, and if you go to ticket policies, you will see that the charges are 3000 rupees and 3500 if you cancel within 3 days to 2 hours, all this stuff. And I think this is same as Indigo website. If you directly go to Indigo also, they will charge the same thing. But since you have booked through Agoda, if you cancel, then Agoda also will charge some cancellation fee, let's say 200 or 300 rupees. So that is what extra you need to pay. So considering 3000 is your cancellation charges plus 200 rupees Agoda will take, if you cancel the ticket, you will basically get back around 200 rupees or 300 rupees kind of, right? So that's the only thing. Other than that, you can always book ticket through this if you are pretty much sure that you are traveling. If you want to understand that how you can book a ticket with the kind of a cancellation sheet where you need to pay a lesser amount for cancellation, please do let me know. If you want to see that video, I'll prepare that kind of video in detail. Okay, so I think you got the whole concept that how you can book a cheap domestic flight ticket in India through Skyscanner. So this, since I keep traveling, actually I tried figuring out how to get cheap flight tickets and then I landed in Skyscanner. I thought this is a useful information, it can help others, so I started sharing it. Thank you for listening to me. Please stay tuned for the next video, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It will help the YouTube algorithm to make this video reachable to other people who are looking for similar kind of stuff. Thank you again. See you in the next video.